Hello. An earthquake of 6.9 on the Richter scale and 7 on the Mercalli scale shakes the northeast of India, near the border of Nepal and the Indian state of Sikkim at 1810 on Sunday, 18 September of 2011. The earthquake was felt across northeastern India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, and southern of the Tibet region in China. At least 102 people were killed in the earthquake. Most of the deaths occurred in Sikkim, with reports of fatalities in and near Sikkim in the East Sikkim district. Several buildings collapsed in Gangtok. 8 are reported dead in Nepal, including 3 killed when a well collapsed in the British Embassy in Kathmandu. Elsewhere, structural damage occurred in Bangladesh, Bhutan, and across Tibet. Another 7 fatalities were confirmed in the latter region. The quake came just a few days after an earthquake of 4.2 magnitude hits Haryana's Sonipat district, sending tremors in New Delhi. The earthquake was the 4th in India and the 15th significant earthquake in the world of the year 2011. The balances of deaths are as follows: India 87 deaths, Nepal 8 deaths, China 7 deaths, Bangladesh 0, total 102.